Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ThredUp for your side hustle, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with ThredUp, visit their website at thredup.com. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. Confirm your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, explore the platform to understand its features. Familiarize yourself with the types of clothing and accessories they accept. Next, determine your side hustle goal. Are you planning to sell items or shop for resale? If you want to sell, request a clean out kit through the website. Choose the appropriate size for your kit based on how many clothes you plan to send. Fill the kit with high quality, gently used items that meet ThredUp's guidelines. Seal the package and drop it off at your chosen shipping location. Track your package through the link provided in your confirmation email. Once ThredUp receives your items, they will take photos and list them on their site. You'll receive a notification once your items are live, along with pricing details. For shopping, use the search function to find specific brands or styles. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout when you're ready. Review your order details and complete your purchase for resale. Consider joining the ThredUp affiliate program to earn commissions. Share your referral link with your network to boost income potential. Stay updated with ThredUp promotions and sales to maximize your side hustle success. Engage with the ThredUp community through social media for tips and inspiration. Remember to track your earnings and adjust your strategies as needed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to connecting with ThredUp for your side hustle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.